Need to go close now. I mean, I go.
Yes, it's part of it.
Master.
Yes, that's purple. Yes.
Come.
Yeah,
No. It's okay.
the depth of the plot is that one. That one. Comparing these two. That's what I'm saying. So this is the access to it. Fine. Let's go further and see. Okay, so all we need to do is to do this assessment. But why not this one? Where is that? What about it? Which one is that? It's not a line of them, yes. We have to find this expressway. So from here, we will now find how. So that should take on
Hey, watch.
Where? All here. No, you see, so this is the demarcation. Look at the demarcation. Where? Just like that fence that goes like here. It goes inside. So now this is where place it and look at how the roads will is it we are people who are
public area planning.
Okay, so you have to give them that they will make the drawings. The building drawing is coming so that they can post
And see how many can come out.
not that all will come out. I'm going to not take if you have 6 hectares of land. You know, because 6 hectares of land.
Yes, sir.
6 hectares of land is so much. For even 30 days, that's too much. Yeah, 50,000 plots.
6,000 square meters.
By beach. So, that family have to go like this to link to somewhere. So it is either you take from here or you take from here. So it is very important. Because this has to be fast and see the road. Okay, fine now. Also, I'm there to pay compensation. That's not what you said yesterday. So why are you doing as if you don't know the place? The mechanic on the road, yes. Where's your radio? As you are coming in, the mechanic can be right here. Yes. So what if I get some nothing happened? Why did you say? Which road? There's a road, don't talk so that there's a road here, forget that. There's a road. Whether road is there or not, that's not why you are allowed that. Several times, sir. If you got to move there, you are still up the place. Okay, sir. Why are you allowing this? What is this?
The plot is adjoining this building. The plot. This place.
Okay, so commercial development. Private commercial development. How for what? It's a private office. Private office is called president.
This is adjoining the plot.
What is that adjoining the place? Is it the land?
The land. This is the land.
That's what actually you say is adjoining the plot.
This is the land.
Very
All of this.
This road goes where?
But the main road that we came to here wasn't doing a certain road. Would say,
That's the person that did come outside. You talk to them.
I agree. I don't understand English. Even as part of this, does it go to anywhere within the district? See, I don't understand. See where we are. Is it that the road stops here?
it stops, there's a road here, a major road.
That goes to somewhere.
That road that is being done by him in Jabi, that cross over and continue to Airport Express. So this road here on
The little grass road.
yes.
And they love for you, they bend you.
you have to check. I would like to.
They are all the groups.
They are all the groups. Where are they now? Yeah, I can see them from here.
Yes, sir.
So, general service, I did this road. And this road. And then now, why not? You, the way you do the explanation, people can work out. One of the school leads to somewhere else. This one leads to somewhere, and your body has
That's what I was explaining. This is when the traffic continue up to the Airport
why you keep them.
This is 820. No, this is 820. The airport. Anyone behind us to ring road. So, and
Sorry.
Usman, keep running. Mohammed, Albani. Okay, just.
This way.
This is the site where there was a building collapse. Over 7 persons lives were lost. So the FCDA administration resolved that the place should be developed.
Move, brother.
When it's time for the time, you are done.
You don't go to the beach. But the place will be
Epka.
Yeah, we cleared it last year because it's being modified by some of this swamp environments. So we cleared it last year. Put a shot of the park instead. Considering the level of projects that
you are not doing interview. Yeah, interview. Yeah. because of the sun. The sun, let him come in. So yes.
Okay, well, I'm no one. Don't say this place. You don't say they did the way we there before. Yes. Where fall, where 7 people died. Yes. And this happened since 2018. Yes. Yes. And the FCDA contact said to remember those people who died. They will use here to like a memorial center so that people will come stay. Relax, you know, and this in memory of those who don't die. So as I tell President, said, since they promise when they were taking, so they can make sure they build up quick, so that sometimes when I don't go for walk or relax. You understand me? Yes, sir. I don't say some of them do small trade. Yes, sir. Hold on, but you see, we don't feel like that. Yes, sir. Understand me? Yes, sir. It's not impossible to live like that. Yes, sir. So we're going to be there with us. That's for our own interest. Even as they build here, some people will see themselves for workers when they work. Some of them. God bless you, sir. Long life, Mr. President. Long life, sir. Long life. It's a good idea. I will get to work over other people. Make our way. I know I said that I guess so. My brother said this is why I consider this. Make sure they do them immediately. So they are called. So I thank God. I most of the roads put in there and one make Abuja fire. Yes, this was a part of the new hope agenda of Mr. President. So that everybody will happy. Before the whole of the events, said things to the work for Abuja. So as the president come now, till don't they work for Abuja. I only support one organization. And be patient. So many things go better. Are you hearing? Are you hearing? I say, I talk to her. I know who say I come here. I don't talk to her. There are people who say, thank you very much.
Okay, first question. Who's asking? Usman?
Yes, sir. Honorable Minister, you've gone around some key locations, including roads and also seen some plots of lands that you visited. Can you kindly brief us on what you've seen and what the administration plans to do going forward, including where we are right now?
Well, thank you very much. like I've said, by the directive of Mr. President, that we must make sure that the renewed hope agenda is not mere talking. Is to bring back that lost hope of Nigerians to believe that things can be done right again. We went to Katampe area where we are trying to provide, you remember we said we are going to build accommodation for the judges of the Federal High Court. We also did say we are going to build for judges of the FCDA High Court. And we're also going to build for the justices of the Court of Appeal of Abuja Division. And as part of it, we have to go and see the site. And we found out that the infrastructure is there to be provided, and which has made us to direct the FCDA to quickly see that we provide the infrastructure so that we can start the residential buildings. You can't start residential buildings when there are no basic infrastructure. That we have seen, and then where we want to build the Abuja division of the Court of Appeal, which is at Otako area, we also have seen that we need to provide infrastructure, particularly roads. And I've also directed the FCDA to make sure that that is done, and then acquire some buildings for public purposes and pay compensation for part of this Court of Appeal complex or the Abuja division of the Court of Appeal. And then again, where we are standing here, in 2002, there was a collapsed building where 7 people died. And I was told that FCT decided to make here a memorial center in remembrance of those who died. And that had not been accomplished. And so I decided to take a visit and see the place. And we have directed the director of Parks and Recreation to bring out a proper design that will be of test of time. A modern memorial park that people will remember those who lost their lives here. And all this, of course, will start immediately after the passage of the FCT statutory budget of 2024. So we are preparing for that. And as soon as the budget is submitted to the National Assembly and is passed, we will start the procurement process for this. And we're going to build a befitting memorial center that the world will see and acknowledge indeed this is a memorial center. So that's what we're doing. And like I said, our job is just not merely to sit in the office. We also have to come and see the sites and for us to really know actually the problems on ground. So that's what we are doing today.
Okay, Honorable Minister, the President moments ago has actually submitted the 2024 budget to the National Assembly. Can you give us a sense of what the outlook of the 2024 budget for Abuja looks like?
I would think that you should wait tomorrow when President presents the budget. He has not presented the budget. He's going to present the budget tomorrow. Thereafter, after his presentation, we don't need to let the cat out of the bag. And moreover, I'm not the Minister of Finance and Coordinated Economy and the Minister of the Budget and National Planning. So let me not take other people's responsibility.
Thank you very much. For those that believe that you are opening too many projects, where will you get the money from? What would you be telling them?
Well, that is a good question. We have tried to beef up our IGR, and by the grace of God, we are going to rely. The opening, the bringing us out of the TSA is a good ground that will enable us to enhance finance from the wider financial market. And like I said, it's not any magic. We'll look at what we have in our IGR, and then we'll go to the bank to say, listen, we would want a certain amount of money, and how do we repay? Is by using our IGRs as our collateral to pay the financial institution. So every project we are going to embark upon, there must be funding to back it up. I've said I don't believe in just the project when just awarding contracts where you don't have the money. Any project we're embarking upon, be assured that there will be backing up of funds. So thank you very much.
All right, thank you.